Hi there. Forces F1, F2, F3, and F4 have magnitudes 6, 2, 3, and 3 root 2 newtons respectively. Find the components of each force in the directions OX and OY, and express each force in the form A times the I vector added to B times the J vector. Now OX and OY, if you recall, are simply running in this direction. This is the origin here, and OY. So this is positive, and also this direction is positive. Anything opposite it, OY is positive. Anything going in the opposite direction is negative, and OX is positive. Anything going in the opposite direction is negative. So we'll start with F1. This is the force F1 acting upwards here at an angle at 60 degrees to the horizontal. So we can write that F1 is equal to, if we resolve this horizontally, we have 6 cosine 60 degrees. And this is our I component at 6 sine 60 degrees, the J component, and this evaluates to give us 3I and 3 root 3J. Now, as you notice, when we resolve this in the horizontal plane, it's in the direction OX, so it's positive. And also when we resolve F into perpendicular to the horizontal, it's in the direction OY, so both are positive, and so our result is positive. Next we have the force F2. Now F2 is acting in the direction OY, so that's positive, and it's 2 newtons. So F2 is simply 2 newtons in the J direction. If we look at also F3, F3 is acting in the opposite direction to OX, so it's negative, and that the value is 3 newtons. So we just have minus 3I, so it's acting in the opposite direction of OX. And lastly we have F4. Now this is acting at 45 degrees to the horizontal. If we resolve this horizontally, we have 3 minus, remember this would be going in the direction opposite to OX, so we have 3 root 2 cosine 45 degrees, and that's our I component, which will be negative, and we add in, and also the positive, the vertical component will be acting in the direction opposite to OY, which is also going to be negative. So this is minus 3 root 2 sine 45 degrees J, which evaluates to give us minus 3I minus 3J. Let me just write that a little higher. This evaluates to give us minus 3I minus 3 j. Smudge that again. Minus 3i minus 3j. And that completes it. We've looked at F1, F2, and F3 and also F4, and resolved them in the vertical and horizontal components and expressed them in the form AI add bj. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.